I'm Dana and this is Tom, my husband, and we built the Saint-Tropez 28. We've been here for 4 years.
Yeah.
The most rewarding part of the new home journey would be just everyone coming to our house and loving the feel when they walk in. They say that it feels like a holiday. They're in a resort. Yeah, they basically want to take over our house and move us out.
Yeah. Jump in the pool. It's super relaxing around here. We got music playing, drinks are flowing, good vibe, really Bali inspired. It's like the holiday at home.
When we first moved in, we didn't really know our style. We liked the Balinese style, but now that we've actually picked out some nice pieces, it's just so harmonious in every room. We decided after doing the travertine wall in the entry, since it looked so good, we've travertined the dining wall to keep that flow, rendered the wall in the hallway.
Travertined around the pool as well, so throughout the whole home, everywhere you look, you see that natural stone.
We have a lot of trades that come in to just work around our house, and they actually say what a good quality the build is and how neat everything is compared to other builders.
Yeah, even to this day, 4 years later, we still don't see cracks appearing.
Yeah. The 12-month warranty process was amazing. Most builders only give you 3 months. 12 months is actually a good time because you get to live in the house with the weather change. The floors started squeaking in certain areas. If it was hot, it would squeak, and then in winter, it would kind of calm down. So we contacted Boutique and they were so good to us. They actually replaced the whole floor, which was amazing. Like, I didn't even expect them to do that, but they did. We really can't pick anything else. We're trying, but it's hard.
We've had no reason to call.
No. The structural guarantee is actually 25 years, so that's amazing too. We know that if anything goes wrong, they'll have our back. The Boutique online community is fantastic. Since we started the build, we've become friends with so many people, and
yeah, it's been a real snowball effect watching everybody jump on board, and because they created such an amazing community.
It's really authentic to see these unfiltered experiences. They do care about us. We're not just a number to them. We didn't just build a house and they've forgotten about us. They actually do care. It's nice having a home that you love, that you want to come home to.
Yeah, I love seeing just the boys grow up into their space, become little men, and this wasn't a forever home for me when we first built it, but it's become a forever home.
Yeah.
It really has. If we ever do it again, we would definitely go with Boutique Homes.
You look in every single corner and it's built to perfection.
Yeah.